Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. Today I'm pleased to offer this 2023 23 plate Kia Picanto GT Line S 1 litre petrol. Having had one owner from you and covered just 9,000 miles, the vehicle comes with a full service history as well as features including a full leather interior with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, satellite navigation and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk or call us on 0161 494 2113. Thank you for watching.